1. Sri Padmanabh Swami Temple, Thiruvananthapuram. Padmanabh Swami Temple is not only the richest temple of India.
तो हेलो एंड मलिक भाई, आज हम बहुत लोग डिमांड कर रहे थे कि रिएक्ट करो टॉप 5 रिचेस्ट टेम्पल ऑफ इंडिया। तो आज हम रिएक्ट करने जा रहे हैं टॉप 5 रिचेस्ट टेम्पल ऑफ इंडिया ऑल ओवर द टाइम। मेरे एक सुनने में भी आया है, रिसर्च की है कि लिटरली ये टेम्पल जो रिचेस्ट टेम्पल है वो इंडिया का नहीं पूरे वर्ल्ड में रिचेस्ट है। उसके साथ ही साथ इस टेम्पल की
India is better known as the land of diversity. It is also a place where religion acquired more importance. Although we are moving towards modernism, still our culture, rituals and religion are well preserved. Many ancient temples are still standing to tell the saga of India's rich religious heritage. Some of these temples continue to function and are among the richest temples in India. Few in the category of the richest temple are not known, but due to great followers of devotees, they are
रियल वर्ल्ड जानने के बाद
so let's
बहुत ही
take a
शौक
look
होने वाले
at some of the richest temple of India. Number 5. Siddhi Vinayak, Mumbai. Visitors arrive here in numbers ranging from 30,000 to 50,000 per day. Lord Ganesha is
30 to
studied under
50,000
golden
people
trees.
per day.
The temple has accumulated 158 kilograms of gold offerings worth $67 million so far, which makes Mumbai's richest temple collect around $2.2 million per year.
Really?
The heavily guarded walls here are strictly off limits. The temple is also frequently visited by celebrities from around the world. Apple CEO Tim Cook is the latest addition to the list. Number 4. Vaishno Devi Temple. The Vaishno Devi Temple is one of the richest temples in India.
Really best
Visited
temple
by millions of devotees from around the world. Sacred shrine of the goddess Vaishno Devi attracts a large number of pilgrims every year. It is the center of deeply rooted Hindu religious beliefs. With an annual income of around $7 billion. About 80 million pilgrims arrive at this temple, which makes it the second most visited temple in India after Tirupati. Number 3. Sai Baba Temple, Shirdi. Sai Baba of Shirdi has millions of followers around the
मैं कुछ नहीं कहना
world
चाहूँगा।
and is known for helping those in
मेरा
need.
एक्सप्रेशन देख कमेंट में कोई गैस नहीं करेगा।
Specifically, there was a collection of over rupees 2,000 crores for the temple. According to reports, the temple's bank account has about rupees 1.8 billion plus 380 kgs of gold, 4,428 kgs of silver, and a large amount of money in the form of dollars and pounds. The incredible numbers mentioned above
मैंने सही सुना है, 1.8 बिलियन डॉलर्स। मजाक नहीं कर रहे हो यार। 1.8 fucking billion dollars, and we not even reached the number 1 spot.
Number 2. Venkateshwara Temple, Tirupati. The Venkateshwara Temple is visited daily by 50,000 to 1 lakh people, and the number rises to 5 lakhs during festivals and special occasions. With so many devotees paying tribute daily, it shouldn't surprise us that the temple receives large amount of donations.
Every people don't know. Every single year there is a Rath Yatra where every single day million of devotees gather. Yeah, you will hear me correct. Millions of people every single day during the festival.
Amount of donations. The Tirumala temple has gold reserves as 52 tons of gold ornaments
ये सब
including ancient gold
ruby है ना,
ornaments and
ruby,
vessels
सोने,
of
ruby and
deities
diamonds.
donated by kings for more than 1,000
इनकी वैल्यू
years,
कितनी होगी?
worth more than $20 billion. According to an estimate most recent,
20
each year it
billion
converts more
dollars.
than 3,000 kgs of gold received in pilgrimages or hundi
I
donation
want to know
box
that place.
as gold
Like-
reserve deposits in nationalized banks.
सब छोड़ो, मेरी अगर जहाँ तुमने मेरे 10,000 फॉलोअर करा दिए, मैं तिरुपति बालाजी के टेम्पल में जाके तो मैं वहाँ का ब्लॉग दिखाऊंगा आपको।
It's the richest temple our country has got,
और
and Tirupati temple gets an annual donation of rupees 650 crore, and it alone makes $11 million for selling laddus. Number 1, Sri Padmanabh Swami Temple, Thiruvananthapuram.
और
Padmanabh Swami
India और
Temple
architecture
is not
is
only the richest temple
extremely
of India, but also the richest in the world.
Yes,
The temple
I
is
told you.
built in the
I told
Dravidian
you.
style architecture, which is prevalent in southern India. The temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. It was discovered that the recently opened temple's walls were flooded with gold.
Yes. I want to give you some information. There are some hidden treasure vaults in the temple, which was recently opened, I think, near 2011 or something. But not all the vaults are open. So, which few vaults are open, there are many treasure in the form of golds, obviously gold, diamond, silver. See,
Silver and diamonds. Some people estimated that the value of the treasure is worth $1 trillion. This puts the temple far ahead of any other temple in the world. And there is a very small possibility that any temple can match the amount of money it has. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like it, like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Only 6 days.
मैं नहीं जानता कितना पैसा भाई। और सोचो, अभी तो अपना लास्ट मंदिर का लास्ट वोल्ड अभी ओपन भी नहीं हुआ है। जब वो ओपन होगा तो वहां से कितना पैसा निकलेगा।